How to restore an HP webcam in Windows 11 Device Manager. If your HP webcam is not listed in the Device Manager in Windows 11, restart your computer. From the taskbar, search for and open Device Manager. If there is no imaging devices category listed, or the webcam is still not listed in this category, select View from the toolbar and select Show Hidden Devices. If the problem persists, select Action from the toolbar and then select Scan for hardware changes. If Device Manager does not recognize the webcam after the scan and the camera worked previously, then use Microsoft System Restore to go back to a time when the webcam was functioning. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.